Hello, amazing people. Welcome back to my channel, guys. How you all doing? Hope you all doing great. Today, I want to quickly share with you this must-know DIY. So here it is. It's a clothing fuzz. You can call this a lint or you can call this a piece. You definitely know what I'm talking about, right? So you can find it on your fabrics like your sofas, your bedspread, sweaters. Yes, you get this a lot, quite a lot on sweaters, and of course your clothes. So this can be very, very annoying sometimes, right? Especially those lovely outfits of yours you just like to rock. Guys, I'm going to show you 3 methods on how to get rid of this. So you can see this is actually the top I was actually working on. Okay, so shout out to my sister who actually covered up this video. Ugo, thank you so much for this. So you can see like the magic has been done already here. You just have a little bit of this left out, so you can see there's quite a difference. There's just a few of this fold still hanging around there. Okay, so now I'm going to share with you the 3 methods. Number one is what the pumice sweater stone. Yes, guys, pumice sweater stone. This is one of the things you can use to get rid of this. So you can actually get this online. I saw this pics online. Actually, I browsed about it, and this is super easy to help you get rid of that. So don't confuse it with this one. Okay, this is all called a pumice stone as well. Okay, so this is usually for skin therapies, for scrub, to be able to take away dead cells on the skin. Okay, yes, you can actually find this in a local market. This particular one here in Nigeria, yes, I've seen this around. Okay, so this is totally different from this one. This is the pumice sweater stone. Okay, so you can shop this online as well. Yes, so this is what you can use to get rid of it. The second one is the fabric shaver. Yes, I also came across this online as well. So this one is also something you can work with. I think you have to apply a battery here or something. I don't really know much about this, but definitely if you see this around, then it can do the magic for you as well. Okay, yeah, so we have it in various types, like there's different types actually. The final one is the shaving stick. Who would have thought? Okay, so is there anyone that doesn't have a shaving stick at home? So that's to tell you that you have what you can use to solve this just very, very close to you. I mean, this is like the easiest, okay? This is it, guys. Shaving stick. Who would have thought, right? Yeah, so that's just it. And this is what I actually used to get rid of mine. Yes, that's what I used, okay? And so you can see the like I said, it's already halfway done. You can see this now. So all I did was just what take the shaving stick and just start scraping. That's all. Okay, so sometimes you don't really have it all around your waist. Now just the particular place, just concentrate on it and just do the magic. You can see this is how it's done, guys. It's as easy as that. Just take your time and take it all off. Then you can finally keep rocking that beautiful outfit that you love so much, right? Yes, guys. So that is just the simple 3 tips I thought I should share with you guys on how to get rid of what this clothes fuzz. Okay, yes, guys, thank you so much, guys, for joining me. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also like, share my videos. I will appreciate this a lot. Once again, a very big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always coming back. I appreciate you. And if you're new here, I want to say thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and remember to turn the notification bells. Okay, this helps you get notified every single time I upload my weekly videos on this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me again. So till I see you on the next video, have a wonderful day. Bye.